Alright, now we're going to show you how to make the best corn ever from Hess Brothers Beer and Barbecue. Things you need to remember: grill, 350, egg timer, tongs, mop, and lots of butter. We're at 350, we're going to load this grill up. Big ears of corn. Now, butter. The crossroads of country music. Mop. You're going to want to set your egg timer to 40 minutes and then turn them every 10 minutes, quarter of a turn. More butter. And mop. Close the lid. Keep the temperature up, 350. And rotate and come back in 10 minutes. 10 more minutes, so we're going to flip and butter again. Quarter of a turn. You see that butter starting to pop from previous rolls. Butter. And mop. Close your grill, keep it on 350. Alright, we're down to our final 10 minutes, our last final flip. You can see the butter from the previous rolls bubbling out. Some good char marks on that one. So we're going to butter one last time. And we're almost out of butter, which is fine. We'll mop it in and close it for the last 10 minutes. Alright, we're at the end of our last 10 minutes. This is ready to pull and eat. Look at that. That looks amazing. I can't wait to eat this. Like and subscribe for more videos.